Hey, I'm just going to talk about gardening a little bit in Fire Emblem Three Houses. It's a really great way to get professor points. And you should garden all the time as much as possible because it doesn't take any extra days or any of those like extra, things you need to do. Well, days. What is it called? It's called days, right? Like extra time in your day to do it. When you're planting, make sure you plant like herbs with herbs, and vegetables with vegetables and stuff like that, flowers with flowers, because apparently that increases the chances of you getting better yields. Since you get a lot of money in this game, I always use the best cultivating planting afterwards. So I think that's the important thing that they don't really explain to you, is that you should plant flowers with flowers and vegetables with vegetables and blah blah blah. And remember to plant lots of flowers, because flowers are great gifts for your classmates. And if you're trying to recruit people quickly, you're going to want as many flowers as possible fast. So I would recommend planting, if you have flowers, plant as many as possible. Plant them together, cultivate them quickly, and use them a lot. Anyways, that's all that you really need to know about gardening. Please like the video and don't subscribe to me.